Now let's learn how to work with zone maps. So if you have a project created, you'll go to the Zone Maps tab and notice it appears empty at first, and it creates a new page for each zone. Typically a zone would be like a floor or major area of work. And if we go up to the top here, notice you can click on this drawing. I'm going to upload a drawing. I'll browse my list, and you know what? I'm just going to pull in this floor here. I can use my mouse to zoom in, or I can grab this bar down here to change the zoom level and drag the drawing to where it goes on the screen. And I'll hit this done button. And so now with the optimizing, it's downloading the drawing at various qualities. So the more you zoom in, the more detailed that drawing will be. I'm going to tap on one of these areas. Notice these are the areas that we created in our tact settings. It's already linked these. We already have 4D links across our entire project. The only thing we had to do is just resize these. So I can grab these nodes, move them around. I'll get kind of generic here, but notice if I double tap, I can create a new node. Double tap again to create a new one here. And I can go through. I'm going to grab this area B. You tap on it first, then you can grab it and move it. And you have that. You just simply take the time to resize these. Notice it snaps. It'll snap to different nodes that are on there already, and it'll snap to straight lines. Makes the world a beautiful and simple place. If you let me go on a. All right. So I'm going to tap on that. And I can go through and get as detailed as I want to get. With this, I'll spare you some of the work on this. Notice I can grab this label if it's in the way and move it out of the way. And add one more line to that one. And this needs at least one more line right there to make it a little neater. And you can, like I say, you can go as crazy as you want with this to get hyper detailed. I'll keep it from getting too crazy on the detail. And now as I drag through time, I can see who's working where when. I'm going to move this label around right there. And you also have the ability to flip on different view properties. So I could flip the labels off. I can show the resolved roadblocks or unresolved. I always like to leave the labels on there. Maybe to give you a better idea of what a finished project looks like. I'm going to jump into a demo here and pull up in its zone map. And notice you can look at one floor at a time, or you can go to a grid view to see all those floors going at once. And then you can see everything going on at certain dates and time. There's other videos that'll show you how to export and print from here. But please note you also have the ability to switch between the different phases. Let's take a look at the facade, for example. And here I can go through and drag through time and see who's going to be where on the exterior at any point in time. So that's some of the basic gist of zone maps. There's always more to learn, but this will arm you and make you dangerous. Thank you.